Hello, in this video, I'll be treating the setting and language and style used by Oliver Goldsmith in her intriguing story, She Stoops to Conquer. For the setting, we all know the setting is the geographical location in which most events play. For the setting is divided into two words. The first one is the glamorous, beautiful city of London, where the Mallows live and other high class, upper class people live. And that actually is the class where Mrs. Hardcastle longs for her daughter to belong. And also the other class, which is the countryside, that is not all that glamorous, and the rustic and rural kind of lifestyle people live over there. So it is called between these two words, the glamorous lifestyle of the London and the countryside of England. Also, the style used by Oliver Goldsmith is a very dramatic one. She makes use of dramatic irony in which the audience sees the whole thing and then laughs about the situation that the characters actually don't know what's happening. Especially, you will get this instance from the misunderstanding of Young Marlowe by Tony Lumpkin. All those actions and activities by Young Marlowe in his ignorance, taking his in-law for an innkeeper, is all dramatic and ironical. And also the ignorance and characters of these characters used in the play is dramatic also. And also we have Oliver Goldsmith makes use of comedy, satire, and foreshadowing. Satirical in the sense that she questions the lifestyle of these upper class people in England, whereby they act superficial, things that actually they don't have, the kind of standard of life that they desire, in which they go about their ways to actually to get these things that they desire is satirical in nature. So all these are basically the setting and the language style used by Oliver Goldsmith in She Stoops to Conquer. In the next video, we'll be treating the themes embedded in She Stoops to Conquer. The themes, the messages embedded in She Stoops to Conquer.